Now, making wood look old and weathered is pretty simple. It's all about layering your stain. Hey, welcome back to Doing It with Jason. I'm Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to get a weathered look on wood. So here's the products I'm using in this video today. If you like the looks, you can get them yourself. We have a Voodoo Gel Stain Up in Smoke. We have a Voodoo Gel Stain Black Magic. And then we have Voodoo Gel Stain White Magic. With these three color combinations, putting it on this wood and making it look weathered and old is going to be a breeze. So in this demonstration, I'm using 1/4" oak plywood. Generally, oak is pretty easy to distinguish from all other hardwoods and woods out there. A lot of antiques are made with oak, and a lot of furniture and cabinetry that was built in about the 1990s is oak. There's pretty much oak everywhere. One reason I like using oak for a weathered project is because it has a lot of grain patterns going on and a lot of uneven surfaces that will take the stain and let you layer the stain and make it a little bit easier. Now first I'm going to be using a chip brush to apply this, and the paint that's on Dixie Belle, I have a link down below in the description and in the first comment on where to get it. And it comes in a squeeze, which is awesome, like a squeeze bottle. But what I'm going to do here is just pour some out on a napkin just to make it a little easier, and then I'm going to get it onto my brush, and then I'm going to wipe the entire surface with the Black Magic. And there we go. Now I'm not going for perfect coverage or 100% coverage, but you can see what the oak did is it brought the black in and all the grain, and it's a lot lighter on the top. So one other thing I like to do is I want to leave it in the bottom part of the wood, if that makes sense, or in the grain of the wood, which is a little bit lower than the surface of the wood. So I'm just going to come and wipe off the excess here. All right, so next I'm going to do the same exact thing I did with the Black Magic, but with the Up in Smoke. I'm going to put a little bit on there, and make sure you shake this stuff around a little bit before using it. I'm going to get it on my brush. And now this, I don't want quite as much as I did with the Black Magic. So I'm going to kind of just slowly feather it on there and not put it everywhere because I don't want to cover up all of the black that's underneath, even though the black is going to stay in the sections that are deeper of the wood. So now it's all it takes is a little bit of that, using a rag, kind of wipe off a little bit of the gray. Now I don't want it all to come off, but I am just going to kind of blend it in. And there we go. There is step 2 of this process. All right, so now for step 3 is we're going to be using the White Magic. And I'm going to do the same thing, put it on my napkin, dab the brush. Now white is much lighter, so I'm going to be a little more careful with this one. And then I'm going to use this to kind of blend anything that looks a little weird or funky. And I am going to continue going with the grain everywhere I can, and it's basically highlighting it to give it that nice weathered look. And there we go, and then that's how it looks without wiping it down yet. And then just using the same rag I've been wiping off with. You can let this sit for a little bit depending on how much you want. You could even just let it sit period if you love how it looks from that moment on. So I'm just going to wipe with the grain as always. And this is going to kind of just blend us in a little bit and then see where we're at. The best part about these stains is you could just layer them on top of each other and keep on going. So, you know, this doesn't have to be the final look. So there you go. That's how that looks so far. And so now I'm really liking how that looks, but I'm going to take my brush, get a little more white on there, then take a little bit more white off my brush. And I think I'm going to just kind of play with it a little more until I get it to the weathered look that I like. And now you could use this for any project you're working on, whether it be a furniture piece, a brand new construction build of a cabinet, you name it, this will totally work. And it's very easy to do. You could do this on doors, do it on your existing cabinet or kitchen, and then really you have all the control. So there you go. That's how it looks right there, just from that quick and easy deal. So you can see we have the black, which is in all the grain, and then we got a little bit, it almost has like a brownish tone because of what the gray did when it was on top of the light colored wood that was already tan, and then mixed through, and there's grays in there and there's whites. So just using 3 of the colors from the Dixie Belle Voodoo Gel Stain series, we got a weathered look. They make multiple colors as you see here, so you can really turn this project into something unique, something that you're looking for, and really just have fun with it. So hopefully this video was informative to you guys, and hopefully you understand a little bit more what these magic stains can do. They are really awesome. The best part is they are water-based, so all the stuff on my fingers will come right off when I go wash it. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button if you liked it.